shit's hard. Oh, what's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? King's fucking back again. I told you I was gonna make you another fucking video today because I had to make up for yesterday. I didn't make one yesterday, so. Anyways, like I said, for those of you guys who want to learn how to read the fucking charts, this video is for you guys, okay? How to read the charts 101 by Crypto King. Basics, easy peasy, bullish patterns is what I'm going through. Actually, this is the second video. Fuck, man, I made this whole fucking video a few hours ago, and the whole fucking shit didn't even fucking record. I was really, really upset. I was really pissed. I did fucking like 20 minutes saying all this shit, and then that shit didn't even fucking work. I was like, you know, I'm done. I'm not gonna do it. But I said I was gonna do it, so I'm gonna do it. I'm doing it right now. So I'm gonna teach you guys basics chart reading, how to fucking read. So first thing you guys gotta learn, you gotta download TradingView, okay? Because all these other fucking charts on, you know, CoinMarketCap and Robinhood, you guys still looking at Robinhood or fucking, you know, any of these charts from the exchanges, you're doing it wrong, okay? You can't really tell shit from those charts. Those charts only give you a little bit of what's really actually happening in the market and stuff, and for these coins, for these plays, they don't tell you everything. So you guys really want to learn to get TradingView. You know, it's a real fucking chart. Okay. Anyways, if you guys don't know what TradingView is, let me show what the fuck it is. Okay, let me just go to my shit. Okay, it's right here. It's this app right here. So it's just TradingView. See that? Boom. This is TradingView. Download it. It's fucking free. Okay, I use a free version. I don't even pay for shit. Okay, but you guys gotta fucking download this one, and you know, to add coins, you just press this plus button right here and search whatever coin you want, Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever the fuck, you know, add it to your fucking shit. Now you can, you know, now you can keep up with the fucking market, live charts, not fucking like, you know, CoinMarketCap or some of these other ones that kind of give you delayed charts. Crypto.com even give you a little delayed, so kind of tricks you into buying things at the wrong time or selling things at the wrong time. Unfortunately, that's how they fucking shit works, but that's how they fucking get you. So get TradingView so you can also make your own lines. It's all in the fucking lines, all in the triangles, you know, so you can tell where things are going to go. Okay, so first, let me show you guys what you guys got to learn first is this little chart right here. Okay, this is one of the most basic fucking easy fucking chart pattern cheat sheets right here. This is for bullish patterns. I'm going to show you guys bullish patterns first, okay? Familiarize with these so you guys know what it, you know, what it looks like when it's happening. So on a bullish trend, when things are going up, see how everything is going up over here? What the fuck? Everything is going up on an upward trend, okay? That's how you can tell it's going to continue going up. Learn the flags, pennants, symmetrical triangle, you know, ascending triangle. Basically, all these triangles right here, these, you know, these four triangles, see flag, pennant, symmetrical, ascending, they're all basically the same. Okay, and basically, you know, they're all basically very similar. So basically, I'm gonna show you guys how the flag moves. Okay, basically on the uptrend move, when things are going up, when the chart's going up, right, and it starts to come down, lower lows. See, you connect the bottoms, make a line in TradingView, connect the bottom lows and connect the higher lows. Okay, now if the chart breaks above the top line, well, guess what? You're probably going to continue to move up. Okay, pretty simple. Breaks below it, guess what? You're probably going to go down. That's a flag. That's a pen. You know, for a pennant, same fucking shit. Connect the bottoms, lower lows, higher lows, same thing. Except, you know, this pennant looks more like a pennant than a flag, but basically same fucking shit. Same idea. If it breaks above the top line, you're probably going to most likely go up. If it breaks below it, you're probably going to go down. Simple, easy shit, right? Same thing over here. Symmetrical triangle. You know, this one is a little easier. Usually, like, you know, see this line down here? The bottom line, you know, the lows are getting higher lows. Higher lows and lower highs make an asymmetrical triangle. And if it breaks above, see where it says buy, if it breaks above that triangle, guess what? It's probably going to go up. Buy right there. That's when you know where to buy. Breaks below it, guess what? It's probably going to go down. Probably where you don't want to sell, okay? Fuck, let me turn that shit up my focus, man. I don't want that shit to come out. All right, anyways. Okay, so just so you know, they're basically all the same shit. Measure and move up, same shit. You know, you draw a line, let's say, you know, it's just correcting sideways for a long time. This is sideways correcting. They moved up, now it's correcting sideways. Connect the bottoms, you know, connect the tops. Okay, make a line there, make a line there. If it breaks above the top line, guess what? It's going up. Breaks below it, going fucking down. See that? Simple. Okay, now, show you guys a classic cup and handle. Very classic, one of the most classic bullish patterns. Okay, look, while things are going up, you know, if it dips down, you know, it dips down, it makes this W pattern shape and comes back up. That's usually the cup right there. See how there's a cup and there's a handle? See how the shape right there, the cup and handle, like a mug almost? That's exactly what it does. And it comes back up after the double shape. And that's also a double bottom. You see that double bottom right there in the bottom of the W? Double bottom. I want to tell you guys what double bottom is. Double bottom is usually leads to a top. You know, go move like reversal upwards. Double top usually reverses down. Double bottom usually means reversal upwards. So that's the reversal up right here, guys. So once it comes up, It comes to its neck, to its last peak of where it hit over here, the top left. See that? See the line where it's drawn over here? It's the same fucking, basically the same peak at the beginning, right? Came back up, then it comes back down again. Now it comes back down, and usually the bottom peak, see this bottom peak where the stop is actually matching right in the middle of that W. See that middle point right there, the W? I can't fucking zoom in right there. That fucking dick right there is where it usually comes down to before it bounces back up again. You see that happening. Well, then it looks like it's about to form a double a cup and handle. And then you draw a line on the bottom and draw a line on these top right here. The moment it breaks that top line right there, where it matches over here, the top of the W, well, guess what? You're going to go up. It breaks below that stop button right there. Guess what? You're probably going to go down. Okay? That's how you sell cup and handle. Classic. Ascending triangle. Same shit as all the other triangles. Okay? Flag, pennant. It's all just still triangles, bro, basically. See a symmetrical triangle? See another triangle. You know, it's basically, you know, find the triangle. Symmetrical triangle. Lower highs. See it? Lower highs. See that? See the bottoms? She's going higher, higher, higher. That's lower highs. And the top is just flat. Just gets rejected in the same area. Flat, 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 flat. That's ascending triangle. Still a triangle, but the lower, the bottoms are ascending. So that's also very, very bullish pattern. It breaks above that, guess what? You're going up. That's where it says buy. That's where you want to buy. Breaks below that, well, then shit. That's probably where you want to sell, you know? So that's it. Okay, ascending scallop, also simple. You know, it has this big U or check mark shape. You know, it's starting to come down and eventually moves back up. Also very bullish pattern. You know, you draw the line right there in the middle of it. Then when you see it breaks above it, well, guess what? You're probably going to continue upwards. If it comes up to that line right there and it gets rejected and shoots down, well, guess what? That scallop's failed scallop coming down. 3 rising valleys. Okay, another really simple one. Look at it. Lower highs usually always leads to, more highs. Okay, so look, 1, 2, 3. What's that? Lower highs. 1, 2, 3. Keeps on getting higher, higher. Then it gets stopped at higher highs too. Also leads to lower highs, higher highs. Usually leads. It's one of the easiest things to tell. It's going to keep going up. Okay. So very, very simple, 3 rising valleys. You see the break up top, it's going to keep going up. Breaks below where that stop thing is, well, guess what? Or it gets rejected at the top part. Well, then guess what? You're going to come down, okay? So that's basically it. Learn this fucking chart. Screenshot it if you want. Okay, I know, I get it. But, this is one of the most basic ones. You can Google this and find the shit. It's like this basic chart pattern, fucking cheat sheet, I think it's called, or some stupid shit. But basically, on the way up, the moment it starts faking downward, see the flag and pennant? That's bullish news, okay? If it was continuing going up, if it was coming up, coming down, and then moving up, that's a different. It's a bearish pattern. But usually on the way up, it's gonna fake out down and then continue up. Okay, that's when you know it's continuing to go up. Okay, so you want it to fake down in a way. You kind of want it to fake down. So even the symmetrical triangle, the top is faking down, but the lows are still going up. So that's still bullish. But, this one is, bottom low, that lows and the top is faking down, but that's still good on an upward trend. On an upward trend, okay. Downward trend, you want to see the opposite. You want it to fake down or up, and then it's gonna go down, or vice versa. I can't remember what the fuck I said, but you'll get it anyways. Okay, so basically you got that. Okay, so now let's just go to the fucking trading view. Okay, let me show you guys an example how to read this shit. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys Sandbox. Okay, because I've been following Sand for a fucking long time, and these are charts that I already made for like months ago. So these lines I already made months ago. So I'm just gonna show you guys and how I read it. So look. This is Sandbox around July when it fucking tanked down before it started making its bull run. It slowly started climbing up, started dancing here for a while. So what I do, I find, first find the first line, connect the bottoms and the tops. Okay, the lows right here, boom. Oh, my shit is pissing me off, bro. All right, the lows right there and the highs all the way up here. See that? Okay, let me go there. Okay, so I made that line right there, connect the nut line. God damn it, bro. Okay, bottom, top, okay? And then take the top of that line, connect it over here. Find, kind of see the pattern where it's coming down to. So I found that. And I found the triangle, basically. So once I found the triangle, in the bottoms, look, the lows are kind of perfect. Look at it. Look how it touched the lows perfectly. And it came up here and it's just dancing right here at 57 cents about, for a long time, basically, since July, to September. It's just dancing there. So I found that triangle there. And then once it came over here, this is, usually you can tell where it's going to move. It usually gets to the end of the triangle, it can tell you where it's going to go. So if it would have came down here and broke below, then it's going to keep going down. The side that it broke up on top of the, the triangle line, usually it comes up it, and then it comes back and retests it, and then it fucking blasts off. And it's exactly what it just did. See that? Came up out of the fucking line, above it, the triangle, come back, retest it, almost, and then blast it off. Fucking shit. This is fucking pissing me off. Okay. Blast it off. See that? Blast it the fuck off. Blast it off. Its next stop right there was basically at 340. Okay, from all the way down here from 71 cents. Huge fucking jump, guys. After that, did another little correction. Another little correction. Okay, and now how did it look? I found some more triangles. See? Just gotta look for a triangle, guys. So I took, to make triangle, take this fucking pencil right here, click in trend line, or you can go right here, boom. You point it right there, boom, and then, and find the fucking pattern, guys, okay? I already made one, so I don't need to do another one, so I'll just delete that right there. It's already right there. Okay, it's right there. As you can see, the bottom line. I connected it from the first, support where it came up and climbed up. Bang, it touched it. And then it came down here again. Boom, connected that. And then the third time, boom, connected that. See that? So the tops, too. I connected the top of the top. And I found the next drop, which is right here. It did a fake out. It came up above it right here. And then it came back. And it looked like it was going to test it. And then it did a fake out over here. This is a big fake out. It came out and touched the bottom of the line, which I was like, oh, shit, it's going to continue. But then you go below it. It stayed right there. And it fucking fake out and shot the fuck back up to the moon. See again. See the triangle? Find the triangle, guys. Once you find the triangle, draw your own lines. Ambulance caught by. You can tell yourself. Usually at the end of the triangle is where you can tell where it's going to move. If it goes below the triangle, well, shit. It's going to probably come back, get rejected, and go continue down. But it goes above it, well, and shit, guess what? More upside. See that? More upside. See, look, another triangle right there. See that? Top to the top. Once it starts, correcting, top, 1, 2, 3 points, bottom, bottom, bottom. This is a short-lived one. It didn't last too long. It came over here, and then after it just blasted right above that triangle. So fuck it, I'm out of here. No need to retest that top of the line like before. I'm just going to keep going. And it kept going. It went from fucking $4 all the way to fucking $8, guys. All the way to $8 motherfucking dollars. Literally $8.40. Some crazy shit, okay? And then, how I told it's going to reverse. Look, find another triangle, guys. Oh my god, I'm going to make the zoom this out. It's just fucking piss me off. 4-hour chart, okay? Alright, where the fuck is it? Where the fuck did my shit go? Okay, there it is. So look at this, okay? So, let me zoom in first. First, it was all the way up here. Actually, after the 4-hour chart, so I can really show you guys how this is happening. Oh man, this is okay. Undo that because we're not moving that. Do not want to move that line. Okay, so look, the first pattern I was able to tell was like when it hit the $8 mark, sandbox. I was telling people, I was like, guys, it's very dangerous now. $8 went from fucking less than $1.08. That's fucking huge jump, guys. Over 1,000%. 80 cents to $8 is fucking huge, and that's in a month. So telling people be careful. So look, touch this line again. Boom, connect the bottoms. Connect the tops. Boom, touch right there, touch right there. So let's make another triangle, another ascending triangle, So maybe not ascending, I forgot what the name was. It's another triangle, okay? I think it's symmetrical, whatever. So look, bottoms, it was looking good, right? Top's looking good. And all of a sudden, broke below it. Boom. I was like, oh, that worried me. Then it came back over here, and it touched the top of this triangle again. Look how it respected the triangle. See, look over here. Look over here. See that? 1, 2, 3 touch points. And then it broke below it again. That's when I knew. I was like, oh, shit, guys. When it broke below it twice, the second time, that bottom line, I was like, it's going to come down, guys. I was telling people, you guys follow me, it's probably a good time to fucking sell. Some of you guys did. Some of you guys did. Some of you guys didn't. It's on y'all. I told you guys. I warned you guys. Follow me. I tell you guys. Niggas just gonna tell you guys when to buy. Tell you guys when to fucking sell too. I told a lot of people. Maybe a good time to fucking sell. Take profits out here. Not sure if anybody listened. But if y'all did, good. And if you didn't, y'all. I'm sorry. So after it fucking broke down, look what it did. Fucking went all the way down from $6 all the way down to motherfucking $4.20, bro. It's horrible. And then, some of you guys got scared, probably sold here. Idiot, don't do that. You always want to wait for the bounce back. There's always a bounce back. When it's a hard drop, there's always going to be a hard pump. So, instead of selling here, wait for the hard pump to come back. You guys could have sold back at $6 right here. I think my cousin did, okay? I told him to buy Sandbox back, and they were like around 60, 80 cents, and he fucking wrote it up to 8. He made a grip, I'm telling you right now. So, you guys could have too, but he also listened to me and sold it, so he took his profits out. You guys still holding? Sorry for you guys. So anyways, sand continued to come down. I found another triangle, a bigger triangle that was in basically all the way over here, touching the last point over here where, first came up. Is it going to respect that and continue to go up? Well, as you guys can see, it came down, broke it right here, came up, looked like it was going to respect it. It was still dancing on a yellow line. Look, it starts shooting up. So I was like, you know what? Maybe this triangle is even bigger than I expected. So I made it. A yellow, see the yellow line from up top to the top. See how I kissed it 3 times right there, like 2 times up here, 1, 2, and a third time. I was like, okay, maybe it's a giant symmetrical triangle, right? Well, it broke below it. What I told you guys, if it breaks below it, well then guess what? We're gonna keep going down lower. See, when you find the triangle, it's gonna tell the whole story. If it would have came up here and broke above the triangle, well then guess what? I would have been more bullish. The fact that it broke below it, came back and got rejected. Look at it, perfect rejection too. See that? Below. Came back perfect. This would have been the perfect time to get the fuck out if y'all still had some.
But, if you guys didn't, well, it's on y'all. Too late. It came down, kept on going down. See? So that's why Sandbox, shit, went from fucking 5 all the way down to fucking, like, what, 250? Jesus Christ. See that shit? So always respect the triangle, bro. Find the triangle. The triangle will tell you the whole story. So where do I think Sandbox is going now? I think it's going to go down for a long correction for a few months to a year. Because that's how it happened last time, guys. The last time it pumped, we go down back here. Last time it pumped, guys, you guys got to wait for a flat line, a long flat line, a long correction before. Like, this is a flat line over here. Let me go down a bit further out. Day chart. Flat line, okay? Now look at that. See this flat line over here? This flat line before it fucking does some move. Doesn't move. So guess what? We're going to have to wait for that too. Since, usually when coins go on a parabolic rise, it's going to come for a long correction. So it's going to come back down, going to come down, probably even come down only $2 or 124 right here. The last peak over here, that would be detrimental. But I think, $2 around here, 210, because it was the last peak right here where first last bounce over here. See that? Could, or it could come down to 150, literally come down to 150 and correct there for a while. That could be the bottom of Sandbox for a few months, 6 months at least or something, before it decides to continue back up. Okay, that's what I'm seeing, guys. That's what I'm seeing with Sandbox. But anyways, that's how you read the chart. See the triangle? See all my triangles? See, that's how I was able to tell. It broke up, gonna keep going up. It broke down, well, guess what? It's going down. Okay, and that's it, guys. That's fucking part 1. Bullish charts, bullish patterns. Really simple, like I said. Why is this light so low? Damn, oh, shit is dying. That's why. Whatever, fuck it. Anyways, I'm gonna go this way, so it's a little brighter. Okay, so that's how you fucking read charts 101. Really simple. I'm going to do another video next time, show you guys bearish patterns, how to look out for that, and to look at reversal patterns. I kind of showed you a little bit of bearish patterns right now and some reversal stuff, so let's, show you a little bit of everything, but, I just went through the bullish chart first, so next time, show you guys the other ones, all right? That's it, guys. You guys like this? You guys learned something? Give me a quick like. It takes 2 fucking seconds. There it is, right? It wasn't that hard. Give me a few comments. Say, hey, I appreciate that, King. I actually learned a lot from that. Thank you. Appreciate it. Whatever the fuck, if it helped you guys out. And if you guys know some other people that can might help, fucking reshare, retweet this shit. Share it with the fucking world. Share it with your friends, family, whatever, anybody. Get this shit to more likes. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to help you guys out. I'm not getting paid for this shit. I ain't getting fucking nothing. But you know what? If I can help the world, help other people who needs help, like when I needed help, then why not? It's all about giving back. That's how I'm doing. That's how I'm giving back, okay? So that's all I'm saying. I'm not getting paid none of this shit. So just reshare, retweet this shit. That helped me out. That's all it is. And that's it, guys. That's all I got till next time. That's it. Have a good fucking weekend. Happy Friday. Super Bowl's this weekend. Let's go, LA Rams. Let's see if LA fucking wins this. It's gonna be fucking nuts in the city. So, all right. Anyways, that's it, guys. Till next time. Subscribe to my video if you guys want updates on crypto and Bitcoin every fucking day. I'm gonna do it every single day this year. Read the charts for you guys so you guys don't have to. And you guys will learn something when you guys do. And next video, I will show you guys what bearish patterns look like and reversals, all that shit. Okay, that's it. How to read charts 101 by the King, Crypto King, King Coty. That's it. I'm out. Peace.